ECAS cone, and we have lots to share with you today. So let's get started. You may not have your entire life organized, but with the Drive Car Trunk Organizer, you can finally have your car organized. A unique and practical idea, the Drive Car Trunk Organizer is a simple way to ensure that all the items you need to keep in your trunk stay upright and in one place. Made from sturdy materials, the Drive Car Trunk Organizer features 13 panels reinforced with stiff base plates. No flimsy sides or bases that can cave in. It's big enough for all your stuff, but sized just right for any vehicle. Perfect for storing a variety of essentials, including travel coffee mugs, water bottles, cell phones, work binders, folders, paperwork, and even groceries. With the Drive Car Trunk Organizer, you never have to worry about your cargo organizer staying put. The strong and adjustable straps lock onto anchor points located throughout your vehicle, helping to prevent it from sliding around your trunk at every turn and stop or sliding off your seat. The Drive Car Trunk Organizer can be placed in the front seat too. It's the ideal storage solution for the business traveler or road warrior. A place for everything and everything in its place.
Hello everyone and welcome to the LE video series. Today we are going to introduce our impressive product, the rechargeable camping spotlight. Okay, let's begin. First of all, the box comes with a fully charged spotlight, USB to USB cable, spotlight strap and a user manual. The front spotlight has one CREE T6 LED. Only one LED bead can provide 1000 lumens. It will shine several hundred yards and has a clear beam of light. The front light has two modes. The first mode has 1000 lumens and works for 2 hours. The second mode has 400 lumens and can be used for up to 5 hours. There are two buttons behind the spotlight. The yellow button controls the side light. This side light can power 130 lumens for 6 hours and 70 lumens for even 12 hours. The side light can be used for area lighting and is useful when you look for your equipment in your tent. Then let's have a look at another button which is located on the bottom. Press it, then the red light on the right starts flashing, which indicates your location while in danger. Certainly, we sure do not want this function being used. Then you might have noticed in the package that we do not provide a charger. On the one hand, we believe that most of you already have a charger, for example to keep your phone ready to use. On the other hand, we are able to lower the price to be more competitive. Pull out the cross-shaped rubber plug. Here you find the USB charging port. By adopting two qualified lithium-ion batteries with a total battery capacity of up to 3600 mAh, this searchlight can be recharged by a USB port and it takes 5 to 6 hours to be fully charged. It can also be used as a power bank for your phone. Please note that the input as well as output voltage are both 5 voltage. This spotlight has the IPX4 waterproof rating, so you don't need to worry about using it on a rainy day. Of course, there are many more situations where this lamp can be good use for you. Are you prepared for camping? Just do it. That's it for today's episode. We hope you did enjoy this video. See you next time. Bye.
Hi, I'm Jeff with Eagle Creek, and this is the All-Terrain Money Belt. What makes the All-Terrain Money Belt unique is that it functions just like a normal belt, but on the inside, you have a hidden zippered pocket where you can fold and hide your cash. It's made of a heavy-duty nylon webbing that extends to a 42-inch waist and has no metal components so that you can wear it when going through security. We sell a ton of these products because people love them. It's backed by our lifetime warranty. For all of your travel necessities, shop Eagle Creek.
see? Amazing, isn't it? This is the Air Selfie, the only portable flying camera integrated into your mobile phone cover. Micro and ultra light, it comes with its very own device for storage and charging, with an easy one-hand control from its own app. Where did the idea come from? Well, I'll show you. Look at this, what an epic day out. A bona fide selfie time, as they say. Just need to squeeze a teeny bit. No, never mind. A more manageable group. Just two guys, actually, that want to take a selfie to remember this wonderful place. Well, I guess they can just describe the view to their friends back home, right? Okay, one more try. This time a good old barbecue outside on a sunny day with lots of friends. Let's try the selfie stick strategy. Still can't fit everybody in. Annoying situations, am I right? We've all been there, buddy. That's how Air Selfie was born. A perfect team gathered together, working in London, Milan, and Shanghai to combine microflying technologies, ultralight HD cameras with in-flight stability systems. Air Selfie can travel in a 20-meter radius and hovers for up to 3 minutes. It's easily controllable from both iOS or Android smartphone apps. It's only 52 grams and it slots into its phone cover and recharges. So what if the guys had an Air Selfie with them? They'd make it hover, find the perfect angle, and leave the controls. Finally, snap an amazing photo with the selfie delay timer mode while it is autonomously flying and keeping its position in the air. Awesome! What about the two explorers? They'd select the classic flying mode from the 3 options available. Control Air Selfie through the app by holding the phone horizontally and take both memorable photos and videos. And what would have happened at the barbecue? Enough with the squeezing. Just select the selfie mode. Use only 2 buttons to find the right distance to shoot and take a great picture. What about an indoor location? Whatever it may be, a party at somebody's house or a night out in a club, there are no issues. Air Selfie flies easily. It's simple to control and very safe. And once you shoot a great picture, don't keep it to yourself. It's so easy to share it right from your phone. As easy as grabbing the Air Selfie safely while it's still hovering in the air. So this is Air Selfie, the only portable flying camera integrated into your mobile phone cover. Ready to explore new perspectives? Let's take a look at its technical features. Power bank inside its own custom phone cover. A battery that charges itself in only 30 minutes. 5 megapixel HD video camera to shoot social media optimized images. Sophisticated sensors and its own Wi-Fi control unit. In-flight stability systems to hover autonomously. The smallest and most powerful brushless motors. It's safe to grab while it's still hovering. And of course, its own 4 GB micro SD memory. Ultra light with a solid Italian designed case. Compact and easy to carry with you anywhere you go. Ready for the revolution? Air Selfie is on Kickstarter. Help us to get it into production. Become an Air Selfie ambassador by pre-ordering now.